We make FRP, which would be fiber reinforced plastic via the pultrusion process. Our main focus is large custom shapes, which we supply to the infrastructure, marine, and corrosion-related markets. My name is Chad Kaufman. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Creative Pultrusions, and I've been here since 1995. As we make our product, the main primary step during that process is cutting the length. So we have to have some type of a dust collection to capture that dust. And once the product's made, we do secondary operations on that in our fabrication buildings, such as grinding, drilling, machining, CNC work, sanding, and all those operations require that the dust be captured. When I started working for Creative Pultrusions in 1995, we had a system here that was somewhat of a hybrid between conventional dust collection and vacuum. It operated using small diameter pipes and gates which would open and close on demand. And just recently, the last few years, whenever OSHA became enforcing the NFPA standards on combustible dust, we were forced to look at ourselves to determine where we fit in that picture, and we had our dust tested, and it was considered weakly explosive. So we had to conform to those standards on combustible dust. So I began to look at upgrading our equipment, and I found that it was just as cost effective to buy a new system than to upgrade the old. And by doing that, we could expand our system to cover the areas of the plant that we had actually were deficient in. And Imperial Systems was able to provide us with a turnkey system that had all the devices that met NFPA standards on combustible dust. One of the bigger challenges on this dust collection system was ensuring that we had enough airflow to our CNC machines. Our largest CNC has a 60-foot bed, and we were concerned about getting enough airflow through the flex hoses to the spindle. So what Imperial Systems did was engineer a booster fan in the system and to run to the CMAXX, which met all the requirements on that. We now have sufficient dust collection to these spindles, and we're capturing the air off the table as well. And Imperial did an excellent job on addressing some of the bumps we ran into, and they were able to correct everything to my satisfaction. They just did a wonderful job on that.